Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is user, data administrator and the database administrator. Now I will explain you what is end user, who is data administrator and who is database administrator. First of all, we will discuss about the user. User is the end user who use the system at the end. The users or the end users are the persons who directly interact with the database system. Basically, they use the database application without technical knowledge of the databases. End users interact with the databases through an interface. They do not write any programs. The end user must have the knowledge of the installed software to be used. I hope it would be clear to you who is the end user. Now come toward the next person, who is the data administrator. Who is data administrator? Basically, a data administrator is a person who is responsible for entire data of an organization. He or she normally develops overall functional requirement for the database that is used in the organization. He controls and manages the whole database system. He establishes data standards and supervises the data distribution in the organization. So you can consider how responsible he is. He also communicates with the user when it is necessary. He should participate in developing the data dictionary and preparing the documentation. He conducts user training when required. He authorizes the access to the database. He coordinates and monitors the use of database. So these are the responsibilities of the data administrator. Now we are going towards the responsibilities of the database administrator. A database administrator is an important person in development of any database system. He or she is responsible for the design, implementation, operation, management and maintenance of the database. He must be technically competent and a good manager. He should have good communication skills. Managerial skills are very important in planning, coordinating and carrying out different tasks. Technical skills are required to understand the complexity of the hardware and to understand the complexity of the software. Diplomatic skills are important in communicating with users and determining their needs. There are other further responsibilities that are performed by database administrator, like installation of the database software, monitoring of the database system, find out the solutions of any problem that occurs in the database system, assigning the permission to the different users to use the database system according to the requirement, taking regular backups of the database, restoring the system in case of any problem or system crash. So these are the important responsibilities of the database administrator. Now I explain you the different responsibilities of different types of persons who are linked with our database system: end user, data administrator and database administrator. I hope these responsibilities will be clear to all of you. If you have any problem, any query regarding this topic, then you are welcome to ask any question. Thanks a lot.